Hey folks, welcome to the Millennium Recreational Trail, Paisley Janvary-Pool pathway. Okay, it's a nice walk along this pathway, approximately 1.4 kilometers. Beautiful day like today, excellent. It's nice, it's quiet, it's very green, very alive. Hi there. Okay, so here we go. There's a billboard here about the Millennium Recreational Trail. Okay, the Paisley Janvary-Pool pathway, and it kind of shows you the map of it here. Millennium Recreational Trail Section 1. And then here, the Queenston Chippewa Canal. Okay, now the Queenston Chippewa Canal, this is what it looked like in 1920. Okay, south towards Morrison Street, and as we go and we look a little bit below that, there's the Queenston Chippewa Canal in 1920, looking north from Lundy's Lane. And this image here was taken in 2011. Okay, all right, let's begin our walk along here. It's a beautiful day for this. Nice walk. Sunshiny skies. Green. Nature. Beautiful. Now, the further I walk into this pathway, the more and more you're going to find that, you hear the sounds of nature and not sounds of traffic, which are literally just beside where I'm walking. And the waterway that I was talking about earlier, that I showed you on the billboard, is just below here, but you can't see it clearly at this point. I'd have to go a little bit further up to be able to show a little bit of the water flow. It is quite a strong current of water, as a lot of water is traveling along here. The flow of the water is really for the power generation that is needed. The further you go in, the more clearly you can hear the water. And I don't know if you could hear it right now, but here we go. Just keep walking. It's beautiful. The sounds of the insects, the birds, grow progressively louder, and you feel more connected to nature and detached from all the traffic, as that becomes more and more the background noise off in the distance. And nature prevails in the sounds that you hear. The beauty of this area as you walk through, it's just incredible. And as I said, our canal is down there, but you won't be able to see it at the moment. Now it is fenced off, and as you can see, they do have the signs here: danger, no trespassing beyond this point, may result in drowning. So I mean, it is rather a steep drop, so you know, and nobody really tries to venture climbing over the fence, but yeah, it's important to still put the signs up. People come out here, take walks together, family, friends sometimes, people just walking their dog. It's just a nice, very nice place to be out. People come on their bicycles and so on. You might be able to see the walls on the other side of the canal. Not sure if you could see the water yet. Now, for me, I can hear the water. Not sure if my microphone could pick that up, but yeah, so nice to hear it. The further I go, it's just more and more peaceful and quiet. You pass through an area like this and you see the artists who've done some of their own work here. Graffiti artists. It's another very decent area to walk because, you know, you meet people and they give you a nod, acknowledge you and say hi. So it feels very encouraging to come out here. some areas along here you could walk and see the water flow. I'm gonna try to see if I can show some of that to you. I hope that you can see that water flow in there. Anyway, yeah, and that area is very, very deep. Some train containers here, I believe, work to carry materials, but to be honest, they never make any noise out here. Now you might see ahead of me a little bit of traffic starting up again. Helicopters up there. Okay, we are coming to the end of our trail here. So we came to the end there and arrived at Thurlestone, which is where the 1.4 kilometer trail comes to an end. And as you can probably hear behind me, all the traffic, but all right, this is what we've done today, and I hope you enjoyed the walk. Very peaceful, very quiet, and hope to see you again soon, or send you another video again soon, and enjoy. All right, take care.